A chocolate brownie, or simple square or rectangular chocolate baked confection. Brownies come in a variety of forms depending on their density. Let's see how to make eggless chocolate brownies. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new recipes. Let's get started. In a saucepan, add 1/4 of water and let it come to boil. Now keep a glass bowl on top of it. Add 1 cup of dark chocolate chunks, 3/4 cup of butter, and let it melt. You can use a microwave to melt the chocolate, but be careful, it needs very gentle heat or else it burns fast. Before we continue, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now the chocolate looks melted with the butter. Switch off the flame and remove the bowl and place it aside. While it is still warm, let's add 1 cup of sugar. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all well. Place a siever on the bowl and sieve 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Combine it all together. To this consistency. I have taken a rectangular baking tray which I have placed butter paper on. Pour the batter into the tray and spread it uniformly. Tap it a few times so that all the air bubbles pop. Let it bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Now take it out of the oven and let it completely cool down. Cut it into pieces. You can also add walnuts or almonds if you would like. Now the eggless chocolate brownies are ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.